We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up Decor till it bends because we wanna. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for clicking on today's video. This is part 2 of my spring cleaning series. We're gonna go ahead and just start in my room here and just do some basic cleaning, and then we're gonna take it downstairs. I also got some new decor, so we are going to be setting that up, and I'm really pleased with it, so I can't wait until you guys see it. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in. Nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our So even though I'm doing my spring cleaning right now, I want to make sure to keep up with my regular cleaning tasks. So we are going to go ahead and fold this load of laundry. And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just want to dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our So I want to give kudos to my daughter. If you're new here, I have a 7-year-old and she's actually going to be 8 this month. But big kudos to her, you guys, because ever since I reorganized her drawers a couple months back, she's done a great job with keeping them organized, not pulling too much out. And when she puts something back, she really tries her best to get it back in there on how I had it. So now we're gonna go ahead and start with some spring cleaning here in my living room. And this little plant here, Ava actually grew this plant. She planted seeds like a month ago and it's grown that much. She did it at church and she is so proud of it. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by washing the curtains. You guys know I like to do that for spring cleaning, get them fresh. Actually like to do that a few times a year when it's needed. And right now they were definitely needing a good wash. We're also going to go ahead and take these pillow covers off the pillows and wash those along with my throw blanket. So let me know if you make a spring cleaning list. I am a list person, so usually at night I will be in bed and I'll just think of everything I need to write down for the next day or even weeks. And the spring cleaning and my spring cleaning series, I am breaking it up through different areas of my home, and the vents and lights on my ceiling are definitely on the list. I try and do it a couple of times a year, so that's what we're doing. You can see I got quite a bit from there, and then we're gonna go ahead and just kind of dust everything else, the TV, entertainment center, and all of that. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look, she's standing in the crowd. So now we're gonna go ahead and set up the new decor. I did pick up a couple pieces from Target because they did have a home decor sale a couple of weeks ago. So I'm just kind of prepping that area, vacuuming it real quick because there's some dog hair there. I'm gonna wipe the walls and clean the baseboards in that area before I set everything up. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. And then as far as Remy's bed, it kind of moves around all over the living room. I usually put it in that corner there, but he'll end up playing with it and it will move to the middle of the living room or out of the living rooms. So I'll just put his bed back into the living room, and then where he sleeps at night is upstairs in my daughter's room. He has another bed upstairs where he actually sleeps for the night. So that's kind of like his nap time bed during the day that we just keep downstairs, and he kind of takes it wherever he wants. Maybe things are gonna be alright, 'cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light. So this is a 24 by 64 wood floor mirror, and it is the Threshold brand designed with Studio McGee. It's so pretty. I love the natural wood on it and also the shape, that top part there. I'm also adding this fiddle leaf fig plant. It did come with the basket, and it's a 36 by 18, and I just think it brings everything together. I wish you guys could be inside my living room so you could see the difference that adding these pieces made. So cute. I love it, and I'm excited to work on the other wall on the other side of my living room. I plan to order some mixed tile picture frames. I'm thinking black and white this time because we have mixed tiles throughout our house, but I always used color or like my Instagram preset color. So I am thinking about just doing black and white and getting the big size, just like 6 of them. How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We So the next thing I like to do for my spring cleaning is giving my couches a good vacuum. I like to also get them shampooed, but my Bissell carpet cleaner is not working and I need to figure out what I'm going to do next, whether I'm going to try and fix it myself or buy a new one. But we recently just had a company come out probably like 2 months ago, and they shampooed the couches and did a really amazing job. So I'm just going in with the vacuum.
I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
So next I'm going to go ahead and mop my hardwood floor, and I am using my spray and mop with a little bit of Fabuloso.
The next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me.
So now we're gonna go ahead and put the curtains back up, and I said this in my last spring cleaning video, they smell so good fresh out the laundry, and they just leave your whole space smelling good. I feel like this space was a little bit easier to deep clean and spring clean. I know I have some other spaces in the house, like my bedroom, that's gonna be a little bit more just because I have to take the mattresses, move those, get underneath the bed, but the living room wasn't that bad. I did break a sweat. Anyway, I'm putting everything back, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap things up. So that's all I have for you for my part 2 of my spring cleaning series. I hope you enjoyed it today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe so you'll catch my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment down below and say hi. Let me know what you're working on right now or anything exciting in your life right now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.